we've been trying to get this hose and this and that, and it's not working. So we might be fucked. Unless we pull this off, it's attached to another hose. Because this hose over here looks like a dinosaur. It's like a fossil. It has all these cracks in it, which isn't good. I was thinking I could take the new hose and just bypass it all the way through, but the problem is the second hose on top. Let's see. This one.